Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Akansha Puri. Akansha Puri is an Indian actress and model, has consistently captivating audience with her versatile talent, striking presence across various entertainment mediums. Akansha poses a statuesque figure, standing tall with a well-proportioned physique that complement her modeling and acting pursuit. Her expressive eyes, sharp features, and radiant smile contribute to her on-screen charisma and appeals. Akansha's personality has consistently been a trendsetter. When it comes to modern fashion choice, her style is a perfect blend in contemporary trends and timeless elegance, making her a fashion icon for many. Her wardrobe is a reflection of her bold and confident personality, often showcasing a mix of traditional Indian attire and chic Western outfits. She effortlessly transitions from glamorous red carpet looks to casual suit wears, proving her versatility and cafe fashion one. One of the standout aspect of her modern fashion choice is her ability to experiment with bold colors, unique slosters, and statement accessories. Whether she drawing a silk pantsuits for a high-profile event or a flowy ethnic ensembles for a festive occasion, she always manages to strike the right balance between sophistication and edginess. Her love for intricate embroideries, luxurious fabrics, and even great designs is evident in her fashion picks, which often include pieces of both Indian and international dresses. The actress is also known for her ability to adopt global fashion trends. While staying true to her roots, she frequently incorporates traditional Indian elements like bandhani prints, mirror works, or handloom fabrics into her outfit, giving them a modern twist. Her social media is a treasure trove of fashion inspiration, where she shares her stunning looks, ranging from glamorous bounce to casual denim and crop top. Contribution her fashion choice are not just about looking good, they also reflect her confidence and individually, making her a true style icon. In the modern fashion landscape, her attendance to detail, whether it's from of perfectly accessorized jewelry of both lip colors or a well-structured handbags, adds an extra layer of polish to her outfit. Her modern fabric sense is a testament to her ability to stay ahead of the curve while maintaining her unique identity. Her modern fashion choice also highlight her ability to embrace versatility and adaptability, making her a relatable yet inspirational style icon. She is not afraid to take risks, often seen experimenting with unconventional cuts, asymmetrical design, and bold patterns. This fearless approach to fashion sets are a part of K-power looks, fresh and existing, whether she is sporting a monochrome outfits with a pop of color or layering textures like lake velvet and silk. Her outfits always tell a story of creativity and confidence. Her off-duty style is equally noteworthy, as she effortlessly blends comfort with chic. The beauty often opts for wear oversized blazers or high-waisted jeans, paired with trendy crop tops, showcasing her ability to make even most of the casual outfits runway ready. She also has an accessorizing, often seen with oversized, chunky sneakers or minimalistic jewelries, depending on the vibe of her outfits. This balancing between high fashion and everyday wear make her established accessories to her fans who look to her of inspiration in their own wardrobe. Her fashion choice also reflect her global sensibility. She frequently incorporates international trends such as tailored blazers, silk dresses, or structured coats into her looks, while adding her personal touch. Throughout her career, Akansha has maintained a dynamic media presence. She gained prominence for her portrayal of Goddess Parvati in the television series Akansha fashion choice reflect a blend of contemporary trends and classical elegance. In a recent photoshoot, she donned denim on denim symbols, wearing a stylish denim shirts with matching trousers, accessorized with white sneakers and chic black sunglasses. This look highlighted her ability to merge casual comfort with high fashion effortlessly. Born on 26 July 1988 in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Akansha embarked on her career as a model 2010, featuring in print shoots for various jewelries and ethnic wear brands. Her transition to acting began with a debut in the Tamil films Alex Paden in 2013, followed by a role in the Hindi films Calendar Girls, where she portrayed Nandita Menon. Akansha's career trajectory showcases her versatility across multiple entertainment platforms. She has appeared in Tamil, Malayalam, and Kannada films, along with notable television roles. Her portrayal of Goddess Parvati to stand out a significant achievement. Recently, she commenced shooting her web series where she takes on the challenging roles of wrestler, indicating her dedication to embracing diverse and demanding characters. Akansha's sartorial choice She seamlessly transitioned between traditional attire and modern outfits, often sharing her style endeavors on social media platforms. Her ability to exercise thoughtfully and experiment with different looks underscore her status as a fashion-forward personality. Akansha Puri continued to evolve as a multi-faced artist, blending her natural beauty with a dynamic career and an even evolving fashion sensibility. So guys, here are some details of Akansha Puri, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe Celeb Clip for more videos like this.